Hello there! Today, we're going to learn an incredible fact about chameleons. Did you know that a chameleon's tongue is actually longer than its own body? It's true. These amazing reptiles possess a remarkable adaptation that allows them to extend their tongues at lightning-fast speeds to capture prey. Nature's designs never cease to amaze us, and the chameleon's extraordinary tongue is just one example of the wonders found in the animal kingdom. If you're interested in more amazing facts about nature, feel free to subscribe to our channel